Hi, welcome back to the channel. Since I don't have much time and I really wanted to show you how to make an FM lead, I'm gonna make this very short and easy to follow, okay? Let's go ahead. Okay. Engage the sub oscillator, lower the volume, lower the octave, select FM from sub on oscillator 1, enters 36. That's pretty much it. These two steps are the most important one, and from here I guess you all know how to do, like adding some bandpass, let's modulate that with LFL1. Maybe add some effects, you know, nothing too special. I think adding effects and filter and stuff you all know how to do, so I'm not gonna spend much time on this. So this is it for today. I hope you like it.